Everybody now, they call him Flipper. Flipper, come on. Faster than light. Okay, no.
I did my one singing the other day.
You did too. Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael.
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. Why am I singing, was it a 70s or 80s TV show theme?
70s, I would have thought.
70s TV theme about a dolphin?
About a dolphin, because we've got some dolphin coins. So, these are fantastic coins.
Are they? Okay, where are they from?
These are from the Royal Australian Mint. So, not a mint that is well known for its bullion products, but they produce some really, really nice stuff. Trying to remember, what was the name of the one they produced last time that we stocked?
That was
Southern Cross, Southern...
Beneath the Southern Sky.
Yeah, that's the one, Beneath the Southern Sky.
Yeah.
And it was a beautiful coin. Some of the people watching this will remember it well.
It was very nice.
And I actually think we might even have some old stock of it out the back. But
really now?
let's not mention that on the video, because otherwise we'll get 50 million phone calls.
Well, you've just put your foot in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
excellent.
Here it is.
All right. You have to really open those.
Oh, man, I don't know what wrap they use, but gee whiz.
They do a very good job on
They do.
the shrink wrapping there. All right, the Royal Australian... Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. The Royal Australian Mint. Fraser's Dolphin.
Fraser's Dolphin. So that's a breed of dolphin, obviously.
Right. Fraser's Dolphin. With Her Majesty on the back. Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the question. Let me see how close I can get in and get some nice looking detail. That's just lovely. Look at that. Capsulated from the Royal Australian Mint.
Yep. Limited production. 25,000 was the production.
Okay. 25,000. All right, so you know no one's watching the rest of this video right now. So how many did we receive?
We received a grand total of 300. 200 of which will be listed onto the website. Yep. 100 will be put through the over-the-counter sales in the shop.
Which means no phone, no email?
No.
You got to just walk in,
So if they're not on the web any longer, I'm really sorry, but we've sold out.
Yep.
More than welcome to come into the store.
Yep.
So level 6, 605-227 Collins Street.
Yep.
And purchase some over the counter. But if we're sold out on the web, I'm really sorry.
Yeah, and we don't do holdsies, do we? We don't go, I'm coming into the store in tomorrow, hold 10 of them for me.
Yeah,
you got to be in.
Do that.
Yeah.
Because that causes chaos in the back end for a start.
Yes, it does. Okay, cool. All right, well, that was a really quick video.
Yep.
The Royal Australian Mint 1 ounce Fraser's Dolphin. Bullion silver coin, 999 fine silver 1 ounce with Her Majesty on the back. It is a coin because we have a dollar denomination. And through 300 available, 200 online, 100 in store, and you just heard all that stuff.
Yep.
That's it from me.
And from me too.
See you soon.
See ya.